It's Connor here in the Pyrenees. We've got a little church from the year 995 here out in the pre-Pyrenees. Come out for a walk on this Sunday and get a bit of fresh air. Feels good to get out of the city. I don't know where you are for this COVID time, but getting out, getting a bit of fresh air, getting to see trees and nature, for me it's a very valuable part of reconnecting to what's important. My friend Matthew here, you should be subscribing to his YouTube channel. He's got a series on the lies that investors tell entrepreneurs. And I know in the US right now, there's a greater number of businesses being started than ever in history. And for those starting a business, 4 things: make sure there's a market. You got to have someone who wants to buy what you're selling. Team, you got to have people who are going to help you. 3, what was number 3?
Value proposition, robust.
Yeah, value proposition, you got to make money. If you sell stuff and you're not making money on each product, it's a charity, not a business. And the 4th thing?
Momentum, don't be too late.
I find it so important, especially in times like COVID, to get outside, to get sport, to get exercise, to get run. I guess for me, if I don't get some nature, it becomes hard to stay strong in the tough times. So I hope you're getting out there, getting a walk. Matthew, if you start a business, what's important?
4 things are important. Market that you can access, the right team with the experience that allows you to have the self-confidence that is absolutely necessary to be successful. You need a value proposition that is robust, meaning that brings some economical benefit to the end user, and it has to be the right moment for you, and it has to be the right moment in the market.
So I'll be sharing more videos of Matthew's. We'll be sharing more on entrepreneurship. I know a lot of people at COVID times are needing to find a different way of getting income, and entrepreneurship is a tough path but a rewarding path. So some of my videos over the next weeks will connect to Matthew, to his channel, and to what you need to do if you do really want to use this time to leave behind a job and a boss and create some freedom for yourself as an entrepreneur. It's not an easy path, but it's a rewarding, meaningful path. So myself and Matthew will be sharing a few more tips and ideas and tricks to keep you motivated on the path. Have a great one.
And keep growing.
And keep growing.